Hello, Peter here again on the 35 days of meditation challenge that I've given to you to see if you can keep up with it. How are you getting on? I hope you're getting on well. We're going to look at breathing meditation now, in particular Danjon breathing, lower Danjon. We call it in our practice, Korean practice, lower Danjon. And we're going to look at how long we can start focusing on our breath before our mind starts to wander, which it does. So get a piece of paper and a pen and don't forget to jot your experiences down. You're building up empirical evidence. Empirical evidence is actually your experiences. So this is more important than any other studies or research that's done. It's your experience so that you can say, I've experienced that, which is more credible than any other scientific research as far as I'm concerned, because it's you, it's your energy that feels it. Okay, first we're going to place our hands on our lap again, straighten our back, chin a little bit down. Just focus on your breathing, close your eyes. Again, we'll quickly scan the body, just relaxing the facial muscles, should be coming quicker now. Facial muscles. Shoulders, down your arms, to your hands, down your back, chest, abdomen, down your legs, all the way down to your feet, starting to feel a bit more relaxed. You should get quicker at this now. Much quicker, which is good. And you're learning to train your mind in the right direction. That's fantastic. So let it all relax now. Focus on your breathing. Take three nice deep breaths together. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Now placing your hands over your lower abdomen. You're going to breathe like a baby breathes. So if you find it easier, picture in your mind's eye a baby breathing. As you breathe in, push your lower abdomen out and your lower abdomen in. So you can feel your lower abdomen coming up and down like a baby breathes. And we're going to focus just 2 inches below our belly button, 2 inches inside. We're going to focus on that area, see if we can feel it warming up. I'm going to guide you to hold when you breathe in and hold when you breathe out. So we'll do this all together, just for a minute or so. It doesn't take long, so don't worry. We can take a long deep breath out. Breathe in. Hold it for 3, 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Hold it for 3, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Hold. 3, 2, 1. Breathe out. Hold. 3, 2, 1. breathe in, hold, 3, 2, 1, breathe out, hold, 3, 2, 1, breathe in, hold, 3, 2, 1, breathe out, hold, 3, 2, 1, breathe in, hold, 3, 2, 1, breathe out. So go back to normal breathing, but feel your lower abdomen come in and out. See if your breathing has slowed down at all. Now focus again, keep focusing on that 2 inches below your belly button, 2 inches inside your body. Is it starting to warm up? This is known as your lower danjon, or your sacral or second chakra in Indian philosophies. And we'll give ourselves just a quick mantra from the second chakra, the sacral chakra, the lower danjon. I am powerful. I am passionate. I am creative. I am powerful enough to cope with the hurdles that life gives me. I am passionate enough to create the life that I want. And I am creative enough to navigate around all the problems that are thrown at me. So give yourself 3 times this passionate, powerful, creative affirmation. I am powerful. I am passionate. I am creative. I am powerful. I am passionate. I am creative. I am powerful. I am passionate. I am creative. Place your hands back onto your lap. Feel the warmth of your lower abdomen now. Do you feel empowered in your body, stronger? Take a deep breath in. Hold. And as you breathe out, leaning forward, breathing out through your teeth. Slowly coming back up. Gently opening your eyes. How do you feel? Do you feel better? Remember to journal any feelings you have, any sensations you have, negative or positive thoughts. Everything's good. Just write it all down. Rubbing your palms together. Clapping your hands 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rubbing your palms. Whoa, nice hot energy coming into your hands. And then energetically sweeping your face, sweeping your body down. And clearing. Take a deep breath in. And breathing out. Shaking out your hands. Shake your head. Let yourself go. Well done for making it this far. We're going well. Let me know in the comments anything that you feel, any sensations. Remember to keep building up this empirical evidence for yourself, and also the sensations, any recurring negative thoughts that you might have that you need to deal with. You can deal with them, you can get past them, you can push yourself through them. If you need any extra help, you can click the link below. I've got a webinar showing the 5 meditation techniques that I actually go more in depth with, and this is part of it, the breathing and guided meditations that I do more of them. It's really to show you in a more in-depth manner how deeply this can really go for you, to make you really see what's going on with yourself, which is really important, because I'm starting to see what's going on with me. I want the same for you. I do, honestly. So keep going. You're doing really well, and I'll see you in the next video. Remember, 7 days, do this for 7 days, and I'll see you in the next video. So Rang Hamida.